Hello everyone, welcome back to another stream. So guys, we're going to model this today and texture in Substance Painter. This idea I found this from Pinterest, if I remember correctly. So we'll try to model this in 3ds Max, and we'll export the mesh once we unwrap the UV and we can texture it there. So we'll gonna move this to the side and we can start creating the mesh. Okay, so once again we'll come back to the stream and we will start with the box. Okay, the usual stuff. We can just convert this box to editable poly. I'm gonna just make a copy first, then right click and convert editable poly. Now I'm gonna select this edge and wait, we need to divide this mesh. Like this, and we can select this edge and chamfer. Like this. I think we should change the size. Okay, let me change the size. Okay, now I'm gonna just move these vertex. We need to extrude this part. I think we should add one more segment here. So this is a keypad area. I'll just select these two edges and connect with one segment. Connect. This. Okay. But okay, Whale. Okay, Whale. Thanks for joining the stream. Your videos really helps. Thank you. Okay, bro. Welcome to the stream. Okay, now we need to move this one and create some space for the keypad. I'm gonna just select this face and we need to insert like this, and I'm gonna extrude this part a little bit. Okay, like this. Just a little bit. That's all we need. And maybe we should. Okay, now I'm gonna select all this and move this little 8. Okay, we need to insert this face for the screen. Wait, maybe we should remove this. I'll just delete it and add another segment here, so we can select this, insert. Okay, and I'm gonna bevel this, or we can just extrude. Okay, something like this, and we can reduce the size from these two sides. Okay, like this will be our screen for this radio. And now just okay, now we need to create few buttons or keys. Okay, we have this thing, can just duplicate, reduce the size. Okay, and increase the decrease the height. Actually, we only need 3 keys per row, so maybe you should. I think we need to reduce the, this size. We'll just reduce the height a little bit. I think this is enough. We can convert to double poly. Okay, here I think we should select all these edges and chamfer a little. Okay, like this. And now we need to unwrap this thing. Add a unwrap UV modifier for this key, and is I'm gonna select. I need to isolate first. I'm gonna select these sides and this top part. I hope we can use a quick planar map and relax. Okay, I think it's fine. I can press Ctrl I. Again, quick planar map and relax. Now Ctrl A and back. Okay, like this. I'm gonna save a copy. Now we need to duplicate this, or we can just duplicate and see all. Maybe time we'll just duplicate this. Okay, I'm gonna change it to 4 keys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna select this and duplicate down. 3 times. Okay, save it. And here we need to reduce the gap. Like this. We can just hold on. I think we need to straighten this polygon. Okay, you can actually go to this area and press X. No. Okay, so I that's the keypad. Now we need to edit this area. I'm gonna just select this face and insert, and insert again. Or I think we should extrude it. Wait a minute, if I bevel this. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna just insert one more time. Then we can bevel this. And convert the selection to edges. Sorry. Hold down control and convert the selection to edges. And chamfer. With a few segments. Or we should select all these edges from the corner and chamfer. Okay, like this. Okay. You can connect these vertex if you want, maybe a couple of them. And cut these from the top to bottom. Okay, then go to selection. We can clear all these smoothing groups and add a new one for this part only. Okay, something like this. I'm gonna save a copy. Okay, now we need to add one item. Maybe you can. Okay, wait. I'm gonna select these two edges and we need to chamfer these two. Okay, I'll keep like this. And same here, I'm gonna select it and chamfer it. Okay, and one more thing, we need to reduce the height of this thing. Just think this is enough. Okay, now we need to create a different mesh so we can add a add here. Okay, or we can just extract from this one. I think we should add a new one, right? Yep. Okay, go to the top and create another box here and apply one of this material, and we can increase the height. Convert to double poly. Then we should adjust this, adjust this. So I'm gonna just select these two edges and we need to chamfer these. With couple of segments. Wait, before we do that, we need to chamfer these corners. Okay, I think we should avoid this corner. I mean these two. Then okay, now we can select these two corners, sorry, edges and chamfer. Actually, wait. Okay, this will do. Okay, this is actually not looking good. Wait, we need to go back and okay, actually this part I don't know. Okay, we're gonna keep like this, and we can remove a couple of edges. Control and backspace. Okay, hold on, if I apply this turbo smooth only on this one. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna just delete this one for now, and we need to modify this shape a little. You know what, actually we don't need this thing. We can remove it, control and backspace. Okay, and clear all auto switch. And I'm gonna remove these two edges, then connect here. Connect another one here. Okay, so we can avoid triangles or tries. I hope this will be fine. I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna select all these edges. Okay, let's select all this. Wait. Select all. We need to chamfer this part one more time. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna change the. Okay, there is something wrong. Wait, I think we should fix. Okay, we have sorry, two unwanted vertex. Okay, now it should be fine. Except here. Or we can just do one more thing. I'm gonna press Ctrl A, so it will select all of our vertices, and we can weld for only 0.1 centimeter. Now everything should be fine. Okay, we can change it here. Okay. Think only one is enough, right? Okay, we just need to chamfer all these edges. You might want to change this. Okay, so I'm gonna select all these edges from down here. Sorry, you need to convert the selection, so it will select these edges and we can jump. So everything looks fine. Okay, we need another shape in here. Wait. Yes. Okay, I'll just create another box right here. And increase the height. Apply material. Okay. Okay, I need to convert this to editable poly. And I'm gonna add a couple of seconds. Or we can just keep like this. Okay, and delete all this. We don't need them actually. And we can remove all these edges. Okay. And one more thing, I'm gonna select all these edges. Wait, I only need these four. And chamfer it. Okay, like this. I think we should create the same here. Okay, I'm gonna just save a copy and delete this. We can duplicate and rotate to this one. I'm gonna change the angle to 45. We can just duplicate and place here. First we need to change the length. Maybe you should reduce the size, right? And we can select these two edges and chamfer it. The different mode. Okay. Oh, wait. I need to. We don't need this much segment set. Okay, we can actually weld all this, right? Okay, I think this will do. Okay, now we need to actually, this is a little bit, I mean the length, I need to reduce the length. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just delete all this. You can duplicate this like I'll just place. Okay, now I want to create the antenna for the radio. Okay. I'm gonna save a copy. Then we'll create an antenna so with the left. And up top, we can go to the top. And use this line to just create one like this. Now enable viewport and it is thickness. Okay, here we'll convert this to 8. I need to increase the sides. Convert to table poly. 8. Introduce the length, I think, and the thickness. Okay, now I can convert to table poly, and okay, just change the shape like this. Convert the selection to 8 edges and chamfer. With couple of segments. Okay, I'm gonna add one more segment in here. Okay, you can actually detail this part in high poly mesh, so it's okay. Same here. So I'm gonna just lay the antenna like this, or I can actually add one segment here and select all this and extrude it. Okay, maybe you should select this edge and move down. Okay, we need to create two buttons here, so I'll just duplicate this one, grab some, duplicate, you can take this, okay, and just place here. Okay, and we need to check this UV one more time. Maybe you need to press Ctrl A and relax it. And back it. Just place here. Okay, we can duplicate this one later. Okay, now I'm gonna say copy. And we need to duplicate this key again, or you can just use a normal map detail for this one. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this key. Wait, I'm gonna just check the UV one more time. Control A. Relax it and pack it. And duplicate. Hold on, wait it. We don't need to duplicate. Now we can do that later. So I think we're done. We can now pack the UV actually. Wait, and we need to unwrap the UV, right? And we'll just add this UV modifier. Control A. We'll start from here. We select this and grow the selection. Click planar map, or just use the planar projection and flex. Okay, can just use the planar projection for this. and we need to break this part. And straighten if you. Sorry. Here we can, I think we need to split this one by one. Okay, now we can select this part and grow the selection. Again. Okay, now click planar map, or we can use the planar projection, C direction. If it lags, I think it's not gonna work. We need to, it's actually looks fine. It's actually fine except this part. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, now select this side, grow the selection, and hide from, sorry, unselect this part. Now planar projection, same direction. Maybe we should flip this one. Keep like this. Okay, I think I should remove this part. Okay. Okay, that will do. Okay, now we can just press Ctrl A to select everything and pack it. That's all. That's all. Okay, I'm gonna select it and unwrap the modifier. Control A and click planar map and go to tools and legs. Okay, here we need to break few things. I'm gonna just select this edge, break. Okay, so not working. Okay, now it should be fine. I think we should break this one. No, unwrap this one separately and control I, keep planar map, legs. This is much better than the other one. Control A and back. Control A, keep planar. Okay, now control I to invert selection and execute planar map and legs. Okay, and package. Okay, now we have the antenna. We can delete this one and add the PVW modifier. Okay, okay, that's will do. Control E. Okay, now we can just attach all these meshes. And add a new unwrap PVW modifier. I'm gonna press Ctrl A to select everything. And if I pack this one, it's the result. Okay, I think we should pack this one separately. I need to do, so we need to duplicate this key a couple of times, then Okay, now this collapse one. Because I want different text in these keys. So if we are using overlap UVs, we can do that. Okay. So I'll just duplicate this. Hold on, Control and Shift and duplicate. Now add this modifier again. Okay, wait. Yes, we need to add this one again. And Control A. Need to repack all this. Or we can apply a different material for the keys only, and we can pack this one completely a separate one. And one more thing, we need to duplicate these keys again. Okay, close enough. Okay, now we can check the AV on last time. So everything should be fine. Now we can create a high poly mesh. I'll just change the pivot. Okay, and save a copy. Guys, don't forget to like. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And we can go to edit, font. This will be our high poly. Now we have two different meshes. Sorry, not two different, two meshes. Right click one of these and hide selection. I can collapse this one. Okay, first we need to add a couple of segments in here, like this. Okay, and select all this. Okay, and I'm gonna insert. And bevel inside. Okay, something like this. Maybe we should remove this one. And in the antenna, we can add one extra segment here and extrude to. Okay, and keep like this. and you can select and remove all these edges like this. Nope, Studio High, Tamil is bro. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும் bro. Yeah, stream. Okay, you can select these edges and connect maybe one segment. Okay, like this. I think we don't need to select this area. Close this antenna. Okay, I'm gonna just extrude this onto inside. Wait. We need to add two more segments. Okay, now extrude. Wait. Okay, something like this. So rest of the details I think we can add in the substance painter. Okay. So we need to cut one more line here. What if I select this? I think we need to straighten this line first. X, no, Y. Yes. Anyway, I'm going to save a copy. Yes, extrude. Okay, I think this will do. Oh, wait. Okay, this is enough. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, wait, maybe we should cover all around these keys. I'll just save a copy. Right to the top. This area doesn't look like me. I'm gonna create a rectangle spline around these keys. Okay, then change it to rectangle. We can reduce the size. Convert to editable spline. So wait, we need to increase the height. Anyway, I'm gonna just convert this to a double poly and increase the height a little bit and select all these edges. We need to chamfer this. Maybe without any segments or with segments. Okay, I can select this edge. Okay, and keep like this. I'm not sure if we can. Okay, okay, here on the screen, I'm gonna select these all these edges and connect with one segment and extrude off. Okay, like this. I think we should do the same in this. I mean here. Okay, what if I do the selection, convert to edges? What if I extrude this down? So if I okay, okay, I think that's it. Now we can attach all these extra shapes. Okay, only one shape, right? Yes. Actually, there is another shape in here we should add. Anyway, I'm not going to do that. Now we can save a copy, then add this chamfer modifier, change to unsmooth edges, and if I increase the amount, you select all of these edges, right? I think so. Okay, I'm gonna try this turbo smooth. Okay, wait, I think Control A, clear all, auto smooth. Should be fine. So wait, I think I should add a new. wait, and if I change it to smooth edges, and smooth edges one. Okay, we need to take few changes manually. Okay, we need to select these edges and chamfer manually. That will be better. Okay, we need to hold these edges. How do we do that? Okay, identify. Wait, guys, we need to hold these edges. Okay. Say we need to connect these edges to the corner. Sorry, vertex. Okay, wait, I'm gonna just detach this part and add a chamfer modifier only for this one. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's fine. It can actually do that. I'm gonna collapse on this. Okay, we need to do the same thing for this part. Add a chamfer modifier. Okay, so okay. So for the keys, we can just do the same thing. We need to detach, add a chamfer modifier, and it's fine. And for this antenna, we need to select these two edges and chamfer. Okay, we have few more buttons. So wait, I need to hold this area. I'm gonna add one more segment. I think, yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Now we can export to Substance Painter. Just attach all this first. And add it almost one. Okay, it's okay to keep these things because here is, sorry, it's a high poly mesh. And if I turn off this wireframe, I can see the model. So it's a high poly, okay. Okay, I'm gonna just save a copy. Then collapse this, convert to double poly. And unhide all. So this is a high poly, sorry, low poly, and this is high poly. Okay, now we can export selector, desktop, new folder, and this is for radio underscore high. Control I to invert selection. Okay, you don't need this. Control I to select the low poly. Export selected. This will be your radio. Radio. So the total poly count of this thing is on K. Exactly. Okay, now we can open the substance painter and texture it. Okay, then we can close the max. Guys, don't forget to like. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And we can create a new file, a new project. Here we can select our desktop, radio, and leave everything to default. Make sure we change this to DirectX and uncheck this auto unwrap, okay, because we have already this UV unwrapped. So UV, and here is our mesh. Now we can go to the texture set settings, and down here we can make mesh maps, change to 2K or 4K. I'm gonna change the dilation to 4. Okay, let's change these values, I don't know. And here we can add our hyperlink mesh, radio high, and plus bake selected textures. Okay, it will make this textures including the normal map from our hyperlink mesh. And in the project section we can see the normal map. See? Okay, and you can see the details in our mesh. Okay, I want to see this project. Okay, here we need to go to the layers, create a new layer, new fill layer, right click, create a group. Now I'll add a black mask. This will be the body. We can add a material for the body. Okay, down here we can select one of this. I'm gonna select this. Okay. Okay, select the black mask. On this side we have this polygon fill, and select the UV chunk fill. Just select this area. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one and clear the mask. Where is it? Clear mask, and we'll name to screen. Okay. Now select this area. Like this. I don't think we need to select this part. Okay, if you want to unselect, you can just press X, or you can just drag these dots. And okay, this about the screen, we are going to add a new section only for the screen. Okay, we should change the color to green maybe. And this one should be yellow. We should reduce the, sorry, increase the roughness. Okay, now it looks more like a toy, right? Maybe we can apply a material, maybe steel. Okay, and change the color to this. Same here. Yeah, it's look more like a toy. Maybe we should keep it in the black and gray. Yes, looks more like a toy. I don't know. Okay, anyway, we'll duplicate this one again. Clear the mask. And we can go to this polygon fill. We need to select these two. And I'm gonna change the material to image. This is more like a leather type. And we can change the UV scale to Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one again. We can just duplicate this body and clear the mask. Will be keys. And select all these keys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one last time. This color should be duplicate. This will be the screen actually. Clear the mask and we can select this. Okay. I'm gonna change the material and the reference. Sorry. Don't see. But wait, we need to clear the mask again. Okay, I'm gonna change the material. Okay, now it's fine. Can change to black and erase the reference. So this looks more like an old radio, right? Okay, I'm gonna change the color. We might need to. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna change the. Okay, we can actually make the screen glow. I'm gonna go to the screen set. We need to go to the texture set settings and add a MC texture, and in the keys, sorry, screens, we have this MCU. If I change the white, this. Okay. Okay, Aloha, I understand. Oh, I'm gonna try to change the main material color. That's I mean the current one looks more like a Pro version, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the black. Change the UV scale to 2. And actually we can create a new fill layer. Create a little bit dirt. Put a smart mask. And this desktop product or desktop approach. Okay, I can change the hmm, and the dirt level. I think should change the dirt color to gray. Sorry, brown. So actually this is not the result I expected. So anyway, we can see all the details. Maybe we should duplicate this one and clear the mask. Can add the edge. It's strong and reduce the level. And the main color. So this looks more like an old radio. We should have created a new one, right? I mean the new model. And we can actually apply our text layer, add a black mask in a new fill layer, and go to the alphas. Can actually add symbols. So I'm gonna select this one, bird size. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add all of this. Just put okay. We should actually keep this reference and reduce the color brightness. Okay. So guys, since in the result we expected, actually it's fine, but it's doesn't look like a radio or something. Anyway, I think that's it for today, everyone. If you want to ask anything, can just comment. At least we learn about this baking and creating hyperlinks. So if you want to ask anything, can just comment. So this is actually in 2K resolution, I think. Is it okay in the layers? Maybe here we can change it to, it's actually in 1K. We can change it to 4K. So I think I render this. Okay, just radio like something can actually change the ground position. So yes, that's it for today. If you want to ask something, you can just comment. Next stream will be on Wednesday with a new topic, and you can suggest something if you want to see in our next tutorial. Okay, I will do probably prop, so can say something. Actually, it looks pretty clean, right? In the model. So guys, bye bye, take care, we'll see you soon. We can actually save this render. So it will be here. So it's a render. So guys, bye bye, take care, we'll see you soon on Monday, sorry, Wednesday with a new topic. Bye bye.